I'm back, and this will be just a quick vlog on how to unload our film roll in this Kodak M35. This will be my second film roll. So first, we're going to lift this one up. Okay, when that is lifted, we're gonna push this button at the bottom, which means rewind. We're gonna push it while we are steering this clockwise. See that? Yeah, clockwise. Okay, so now we're going to continue winding until we hear or feel that it's at the end. We're gonna know. This is the film that I used here is Kodak Gold 200. There, it stopped, so we can close that. Oh no, we could stop pressing this, continue having this up, and then pull it up. We're gonna open this now. Ta-da! And now we're gonna close, and put it here, and it's now ready to get developed. I have my films developed in Wonder Photoshop in Santo Domingo branch, and I'll see you again for my next vlog that will be containing whatever the photo output of this film, Kodak Gold 200. See you again. Bye!